Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for November 14. Banana farmers in St. Mary, Portland and St. Thomas began receiving assistance Wednesday to recover from the effects of Hurricane Sandy. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Roger Clark says registered banana farmers whose fields were devastated are to benefit from a 3-year $100 million banana resuscitation loan program at an interest rate of 5%. Funding is coming from the Development Bank of Jamaica and the program will be administered through the PC banks.
And we have subsidized somewhat that loan program to the tune of $13.5 million. Banana resuscitation from hurricane damage must begin immediately. We do not have the luxury of time, and farmers have already started their cutback.
In addition to the loan program, the Ministry's Agricultural Credit Board will underwrite the $5 million cost of the support work by the Banana Board Technology Transfer Officers who are helping farmers to meet their loan obligations. Meanwhile, farmers who qualify will benefit from a $7 million payout from the Banana Industry Catastrophe Fund. And the European Union will provide aid to the tune of $13.5 million through its Banana Support Program for the procurement of fertilizer. Meanwhile, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, has begun to receive promised donations from foreign governments and entities to support its Hurricane Sandy Emergency Relief Fund. The Chinese-based China Harbor Engineering Company gave ODPEM $13 million a few days ago to help individuals and damaged schools.
I want to really hail China Harbor for coming to the fore and for putting forward this support.
The French government, which has committed $5.7 million to help mostly schools and children's homes, is also channeling its support through ODPEM. As part of that, the French ambassador presented the Muirton's childcare facility in Portland with a $1 million check on Monday to carry out repairs. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson is calling on Jamaicans to join his ministry in its goal to reduce deaths from diabetes and other non-communicable diseases by 25% by the year 2025. The call comes as Jamaica joins the rest of the international community in observing November 14 as World Diabetes Day. The 2012 observance is under the theme Diabetes, Protect Our Future. Minister Ferguson says this is an important message and comes at a time in which our health, productivity and development are threatened by the epidemic of non-communicable diseases, including diabetes. The minister is urging prevention and management to reverse this. And finally, political unity and national consensus are critical if the country is to achieve its development goals. This was a notion expressed by former Prime Minister Percival James Patterson during a special parliamentary sitting in his honor on Tuesday.
We have to abandon the adversarial political approach of the past, and we have to replace it with one in which the contention for office is designed to promote the most exacting consideration of policies and prompt acceptance of the best ideas.
Parliamentarians on both sides took turns to pay tribute to Mr. Patterson, whom they called a visionary leader and an international statesman.
He was effective in debate. He was a master of legislative and administrative detail. He was father of important governance institutions and programs. He also possessed a strong international vision.
Opposition leader Andrew Holness thanked the former Prime Minister for his work and paid tribute to his character.
If we were to describe your Prime Minister, we would say that you were unflappable, that you are a man of great humility and great resilience.
Mr. Patterson is to date the longest-serving Prime Minister, having held the post for 14 years, from 1992 to 2006. And that's it for Jis News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.